welcome to the SLA Innovation Laboratory's Introduction to Twitter. In the next 8 minutes, you're going to see and hear a brief explanation of what Twitter is, how you use it, and what value it has to you as an information professional. Twitter is a free social networking tool and microblogging service. You interact with Twitter by posting quick and frequent updates, also known as tweets, of up to 140 characters that answer a very simple question: what are you doing? Tweets can be posted directly to the Twitter website, or posted by SMS, instant message, or through third-party applications like Twirl, TwitterFox, and Twitterrific. Your tweets are displayed on your profile page and instantly delivered to other users who have signed up to receive them. You can receive tweets in the same way that you send them, on the Twitter website, through instant messaging, SMS, or third-party applications. But you can also receive tweets via RSS feeds and email. You can restrict delivery of your tweets to only those people you would like to receive them by allowing them to follow you. And you can send and receive direct tweets to specific people as well. Beyond the personal users of Twitter, there are also a number of organizations, corporations, colleges and universities, media outlets, and politicians who are currently using Twitter. The LA Fire Department used Twitter during the October 2007 California wildfires to send out updates on the progress of the fires. Barack Obama and Hillary Clinton are using Twitter to send out news and information from the campaign trail. CNN uses Twitter to distribute breaking news, and Carnival Cruise Lines and Southwest Airlines use Twitter to post travel deals and to interact with their customers. So let's head to the twitter.com website and explore how you would get started using Twitter. Your first step will be to create an account, so click on the green box to get started. You'll need to choose a username which will identify you on the site. You can use your real name or a nickname if you like. Choose your password, enter your email address, and select whether or not you'd like to receive the Inside Scoop, a newsletter from the folks at Twitter about recent developments. Once you accept the terms of service, your account will be created. I already have an account, so let's log in and take a look at my user page. There's the famous question front and center: what are you doing? Recording a tutorial for the SLA Innovation Laboratory. See, it's that simple. Once I click the update button, my tweet will be sent to everyone on my follower list. Right now I'm following 40 people, and 42 people are following me. On this same tab, I can see the recent tweets of the folks that I'm following. There are 3 other tabs on this page: Replies, which show tweets that were sent directly and only to me; Archive, which is a full list of all my tweets; and the Everyone tab, which shows the most recent tweets from everyone who has a Twitter account. There are 2 other parts of the Twitter website that you should probably explore when you first create your account: Settings and Find and Follow. Your account has a number of settings that you might want to adjust when you first create your account. You can change your username, your email address, and the time zone that you're in. If you have a blog or website, you can enter the URL here, and it will be listed on your display page. You can also add a one-line bio, enter your location, select the language that you're using, and choose whether or not you want to protect your updates. If you select this Protect My Updates box, you will only be able to send and receive tweets from the folks that you have allowed to follow you. And speaking of following, how do you find people who are already on Twitter? The Find and Follow section of the site allows you to search a web-based email account like Hotmail, Yahoo, AOL, MSN, or Gmail for contacts. If the Twitter finds matching email addresses for people already on Twitter, you'll be given the option to follow them. Another option is to have emails sent out to people using this box here. You can send out multiple email addresses at once by separating the addresses with commas. There's a third option for finding people, and that's with this box here, which allows you to search by name or location. Let's see who's here in Toronto. Looks like there are 3,431 results for Toronto. So if I wanted to follow this entry here, Toronto Clubs, I just click the follow button and they'd be added to my following list. You will also see this little padlock symbol for some of the accounts. That means that their updates are protected and they need to permit you to follow them. Take a minute to browse through the help section of the site. It's great and should answer many of the questions that you have. So that's getting set up and using Twitter in a nutshell. Now let's take a look at some of the uses for Twitter. Obviously there are a number of personal uses for Twitter. Stay connected to your friends and family. Use Twitter as a personal information management tool by sharing and archiving quick notes and ideas. If you examine your tweets over a period of time, you could use Twitter as a time management tracking tool. There are also a number of professional uses for Twitter, so let's take a look at some of them, especially as they relate to information professionals. Twitter is a great communication tool. You can use it to network with other information professionals. If you were connected to your clients through Twitter, you could use it to promote your products and services. You could also use it as a platform to deliver current awareness in the form of headlines and links to websites. Twitter could be used to reach out to customers who are tweeting about problems they are having with your products and services, or the products and services of your organization. Connect distributed employees, either publicly or privately, in a communication network where instant communication is needed. The real value and power of Twitter is its ability to reach out to audiences in real time. Twitter is a great communication tool, but it's also a great source for information. By searching for and analyzing tweets, it's possible to unearth valuable intelligence. Track how brands are faring in the marketplace. Examine your organization's reputation. Monitor product announcements. And create prospect lists. Retailers have used Twitter to announce upcoming sales and deals as well. There are a number of tools emerging to help us search and analyze Twitter. Let's take a look at two of them: TweetScan and Surmise. I'm going to pretend I'm Starbucks, and I want to know what people out there are saying about me. TweetScan allows you to search by keyword, by the name of the user, and by time frame. Let's see how Starbucks is doing. From a few of these tweets, it looks like Twitter users are pretty happy with Starbucks. You can send the results of your searches to Twitter as a tweet. You can also link to your results and monitor the same search by putting the RSS feed of your search into your RSS reader. Another tool that's similar to TweetScan is Surmise. TweetScan and Surmise are pretty similar, but Surmise provides a few more options to search and analyze Twitter data. On the Surmise front page, there's a list of what they consider to be trending topics on Twitter. With Surmise, you can show only tweets written in certain languages, and you can also auto-translate non-English tweets. Like TweetScan, Surmise provides RSS feeds and the option to tweet your search results. TweetScan and Surmise are just two of the many tools out there that are being developed to search and analyze and use Twitter data. Take a look and see what you can find. I hope you've enjoyed this brief introduction to Twitter. If you decide to sign up, follow me. I'm Yankee in Canada. For more tutorials and access to hundreds of tech tools to help you innovate in 2008, visit the SLA Innovation Laboratory website at sla.org/innovate. This is Daniel Lee for the SLA Innovation Laboratory.